Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany Kimball and today we're taking it back to basics on cleansing, detangling, and conditioning. First thing you want to do is we're going to pre-detangle and pre-treat our hair by making sure it's damp. And then you're going to have your choice of oil to put on your scalp and your hair shaft. Today I'm going to go with the peppermint and aloe along with the vitamin drops actually on my hair and on my scalp. If you're someone that's had braids or any tension on your hair, another good one is the anti-itch and tension relief. It's infused with tea tree oil, as well as hemp and rosemary oil as well. So those are three really good oils that I like to use on myself as well as my clients. You want to go ahead and base your scalp with the oil of your choice. Today I'm using the peppermint and aloe on my scalp. And then you want to make sure to massage it all the way into your scalp. And really massage it good. Take advantage of this time to get that spa-like feel. I'm going to follow up with the vitamin drops also on my scalp. And remember to detangle your hair as you're massaging in as well. Don't just have everything up in a ball. You're also going to make sure to get some of that oil on your hand and run it through your hair. Remember, your hair is damp and your hair can't properly receive the moisture from the oils unless your hair is damp. If it's dry and you put oil on it, you're just allowing the oil to sit on top of it and it's not actually penetrating. After you finger detangle, you want to make sure to grab a paddle brush and always start on the ends of your hair, not the roots. If you start at the roots, it'll just cause more tangling and breakage along the way. So start at the very ends of your hair and then work your way up until you get all the way up to the roots to completely detangle the hair. I prefer to shampoo my hair in sections to ensure that I'm getting all of the areas and nothing's getting muddled in between my hair. So after we've already detangled our hair with the oil and water, you want to make sure to rinse your scalp and your hair of the oil and any debris that could be built up on your hair. That oil is going to help to loosen up any debris that could be stuck to your scalp or on your hair shaft. Today we're going to be using the Design Essentials Almond Avocado shampoo and conditioner. You want to start your shampoo, no matter what shampoo you use, start at your scalp. Start at your scalp. You want your scalp to be cleansed and work your way down. Also be sure not to ball your hair up like the commercials because that will cause tangling as well. So keep your hair straight and run your fingers down and kind of rake them through your hair shaft as you're shampooing and the shampoo is going down. Make sure it goes down your shaft and that you're also kind of finger detangling with the shampoo coming down as well. And then just repeat those steps on the opposite side. Remember, you want to shampoo your hair at least 2 times, once to get most of the buildup off, and then just to make sure all of your scalp and your hair shaft are completely cleansed. Twice is usually good enough. If you have a lot of buildup, you may possibly want to go with a detoxing shampoo or clarify or something like that, and then follow up with a moisturizing shampoo to prepare your hair to receive the conditioner. When you apply your conditioner, you want to make sure you start at the ends this time and work your way up to the roots. Before with the shampoo, we started on the roots and worked our way to the ends. But the reason we flip-flop is because you want your scalp to be cleansed and your ends to be moisturized. Clean scalp promotes hair growth, and moisturized ends promotes hair retention or growth retention. So just remember those. Shampoo, start at the scalp or the roots, and when you condition, you want to start at the ends of your hair and work your way up. The same thing when you are detangling in the shower with your detangling comb. You want to also make sure that you start at the ends of your hair and work your way up to your roots, so that way you don't cause any breakage or unnecessary tension to your hair. And it also helps to detangle any of those tangles or knots a lot easier.